Namaste, friends. We're going to do some third eye activation. Okay, third eye activation for your intuition and clearing up your mental space. So first and foremost, shake your hands, shake your head, shake your hands, shake your head. Shake, 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 shake your hands, your head, your body. Give it a good shake. Very good. All right. So now, very short video. The sound of the bell will clear your third eye. So close your eyes. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Let's chant Om first. Grounding. And now keeping your eyes closed, visualize and feel a point in your head between your eyebrows. If you can feel, otherwise imagine just a point between your eyebrows about 1 inch in. It's in your head. Find that spot and we're gonna clear up and relax. Now again, find that third eye, find that spot 1 inch inside your head. It's between your eyebrows. Catch that spot. Focus, focus, focus. Release. Repeat this as many times as you want. Namaste.